Of course, I can certainly do that. And you? Eggs? Bacon? Hash browns? Of course, pancakes. Of course, sausage, why not? You want it cooked on what? A 55-pound cold rolled steel? Are you asking me for breakfast on the Blackstone Griddle? Why didn't you just say that? Alright everybody, I tried to throw a little comedy in there. I hope you enjoyed it. Listen, I'm not going to bore you with showing you what I'm going to cook here. I say we just get out to the griddle and cook breakfast. What do you say? Let's go. Alright, we're going to start with the sausage. I know the meat's going to take the longest, so we're going to do the bacon, the sausage, then I'll do the hash browns. We'll do some eggs, we'll do some pancakes. This is going to be really good. Alright, we got some frozen hash browns here. Alright, so we want to get these cooked down here. I didn't have time to make homemade hash browns today, but these are always very, very good. And you know, one of the things I love about this griddle is the ability to cook so much food at one time, and also to be able to have a couple different zones. You know, I can turn off the fire burner here all the way if I wish. You know, for when food is done, I can just kind of let it hang out there so stuff doesn't get cold. And that's always just pretty awesome. And you're going to see me do that quite a bit today. So it's time to get a little seasoning on these hash browns. And I'm just going to go with some garlic salt and some black pepper. Now let's toss that around, incorporate that. Time to rotate these sausage links here. Those are coming along real nice. These hash browns are about all defrosted now. I'm going to start moving those over to the cooler side. What I like to do with the hash browns on the griddle is I like to kind of push those off there, let those sit on the low side and let them just sit still, because they'll form a nice little crust underneath and we can move those around every so often. Alright, as these sausages cook, I'm just going to kind of move these over. I've got that. I'm going to put those on the low side here and just let them go. Actually, I'm going to move them right over here. So we're just going to kind of let those cook there slowly. Alright, I've got some thick cut bacon here, and then I think we've got some thinner bacon that we're also going to be cooking here. So we're going to start with this. That sound is just glorious. Absolutely unbelievable. Go ahead and rotate these sausages a little bit. And we're also going to go ahead and move these hash browns around a little bit. Now we'll get them right back in there to get another little crisp going on the bottom. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of this bacon on now. That griddle top is so hot, I'm actually going to turn it down a little bit. I had it on medium, so I just moved it to low. Cooking for a family of 5 tonight. And that's right, we're having breakfast for dinner. There is no rule that says you cannot have breakfast for dinner. So we do it a lot. Boy, doesn't that just look good? It sounds good, it smells good. It's hard to beat bacon on this griddle. Alright, time to flip this bacon over. Another quick mention, guys, you know, I did a video on this a while back also, which you can look up in my video list. But one of the issues with the Blackstone is the grease strip issue, which they've resolved now with the brand new version. They have a rear grease strip, or a rear trough, instead of this one here on the side. And so there's a piece here from Backyard Life Gear that I purchased, which pretty much goes ahead and it allows you to just empty that grease right into your grease canister here. Okay, so I've moved everything over to the cool side, and I just want to demonstrate this Backyard Life Gear piece again for you guys in case some of you aren't aware. So just take a look at how that's draining. Now I've got a lot of grease here. You know, I cooked like a package and a half of bacon, or a pound and a half of bacon. Sorry about the noise. But just check that out. The name of the company is Backyard Life Gear, and I'll actually put a link to that part in the description too. I have an Amazon affiliate link in there. If you want to use that, you can. It supports my channel. Or you can go right to the website for the company. I'll put that link in there as well. Alright guys, I'm going to add a little bit of oil here for these pancakes. Let's go ahead and spread out that oil. For this episode, I bought myself this pancake dispenser, so I've never used one of these. Let's see how this goes, alright? No way, that's too cool. Guys, this is awesome. So worth the 10 bucks, I'm telling you. Alright, we'll start with those. And one of my favorite things to do breakfast on here, I mean, of course you got bacon, hash browns, there's pretty much everything, but pancakes turn out super fluffy and delicious on here. So, you know, I made them once for my kids and they just fell in love with them. So now every time we do breakfast out here on the griddle, you know, we're always sure to do some pancakes for the kids. And what I'm watching for here is I'm watching for the edges to crisp up a bit, and I'm watching for bubbles on the top, which we're starting to get. So I'm going to give these about 30 to 45 more seconds. I'll check one of them on the bottom, and if they're good to go, we'll start flipping these bad boys. Alright, let's check one of these. Oh yeah, they're ready. Look at that, golden brown, just perfect. I mean, guys, I'm not a chef. I keep telling you, you know, the name of my channel, Everyday Barbecue. I'm an everyday guy. But this equipment, whether it be my Silverback, my Blackstone, it really makes me look like I know what I'm doing. I mean, just look at how beautiful those pancakes are. Kids love these, like I mentioned. So we're going to let these cook, then we're going to drop some more down. Alright, these bad boys are ready to come off. Just going to put them here in this bowl and cover them up to keep them warm while I finish off the batter. Probably going to get like one more out of here. We'll make a big one right here. That's all she wrote. Alright, here we go. Let's see if I did as good a job. Yeah, look at that. Golden brown. Let's check this bad boy out right here. Let's see if I can do this, guys. This is a big pancake. There we go. Beauty. Alright, we're going to let these finish, pull these off. We're going to knock out some eggs, and then this breakfast is going to be ready to plate up and eat. Alright, these pancakes are good and ready. Perfect pancakes. Alright, time for some scrambled eggs. Now this gets tricky on here with this flat surface, so the key is to just keep them kind of contained until they sort of harden up. And I did drop a little bit of oil down. And this is 6 eggs. We're going to do 6 scrambled, and we're going to do a few over easy as well. Which I'm going to show you a real neat trick for doing over easy eggs if you're not a real good flipper. And I only learned it because I'm not a really good flipper. So I improvised. But we'll get to that in a minute. Alright, let's get the rest of these down. Now I want to go ahead and season these up. Alright, these are already done. This literally took like 60 seconds. So now I'm going to go ahead and kill this other burner as well. So let's move these over, keep these warm. A little more oil. And let's just go ahead and do like 4 over easy. And 4. Once again, a little bit of seasoning here. Just some garlic salt, keep it easy. And alright, if you're not a good flipper of eggs and you like over easy, I got a little trick for you here. And for that, we're going to need our basting lid. And all you're going to do, take your water bottle, get a little bit of steam around these eggs. Go ahead and get your basting lid. Put it right on top. Alright guys, it's been about 3 minutes. Look at that. Perfect. They're cooked, they're not raw. This is basically just the same way you'd have over easy if you're going to flip. So these are absolutely gorgeous. It's time for me to get all this food off of this griddle and get it inside. And I'm going to build a nice plate for you guys, okay? I'll meet you indoors. Alright everybody, we've got this stuff inside. I kind of put a platter together here. But I'm going to show you, I mean, you know, we got some nice crispy, yet still soft hash browns. So we got some crisp and, you know, some soft in there. There's a mixture of preference here in the house. So leaving them on the griddle that way in that one spot will sort of give you that, a little bit of crisp while preserving some that are soft. And just check out these pancakes. These are just absolutely beautiful, golden brown, perfect, cooked all the way through, nice edges. I mean, these make me look like a chef. That Blackstone just knocks this out of the park. So we've got our sausage, we've got bacon, we've got hash browns, pancakes, scrambled eggs, a little bit of fruit. I'm going to go ahead and build a plate and make you guys a little jealous. Alright guys, I just put this together here. Let's go ahead and take a couple of bites. I love doing breakfast on the Blackstone. Pancakes always turn out great. Eggs are always great. I'm not going to eat this whole thing in front of you, but I don't know. Let's just dig in and grab something here. Some scrambled eggs. I almost forgot, guys. This company sent out this hot sauce to me. I haven't really, you know, filmed anything with it yet, but I have tried it a little bit. It's really good. There's a nice little blend of sweet heat there. I'm not even sure who it was. I got to look it up and see who sent it to me. I'll do that. I'll put a link down in the description. But this stuff's really good. A good blend of sweet heat. So I put a little bit here on my eggs and my hash browns. And I'm going to give that a whirl here. It's very good. Again, nice sweet heat. These eggs are just glorious. Hash browns, perfect. I need more hash brown. Now my egg technique. Check it out. Just look at how perfectly runny those are. They're cooked all the way through, so you don't have to worry about anything. But you can steam those, and you can do that inside on a frying pan too, guys. Cheers. Can't forget some sausage. All right, guys, that's it for today. Just wanted to share this with you. We love doing that stuff outside on the griddle. We love cooking breakfast. I hope you had fun. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today. Please like this video, comment, subscribe. Cheers, blessings. I'll see you guys on the next episode. Take care.